Hi, I'm Lucas from the Solutions Design team here at Pipefy, and today we'll be demonstrating how to manage your employee status related to COVID-19 disease and pandemic. So, in here we are at your company organization inside Pipefy. For this demo, we'll be using two pipes that are available to download as templates to your organization. So the process starts with this pipe. This is the employee status, and in here basically you will receive all informations from your employees, and you can edit this form the way you want it. So basically in the template you find this like text describing briefly the disease, also some guidelines with a link that redirects to the WHO, and a basic form with some questions that you can custom yourself or create new ones. And attached to these questions, we have some automations that will move the card to the respective phase according to what you answered. So you will able to set these rules yourself or create a single rule to like send all your employees to one of these phases. After customizing the form, you can create a public form or a portal and share this link across your whole employee base, and everyone will be redirected to this form where you will be custom with your questions. So let me fill it with some sample information in here. In here, the person will choose to follow up, to receive email follow-ups every week on a date that you can set inside another automation. And you can choose this to be mandatory or not depending on your company policies. So submitting the form, you will receive this information inside the pipe. So let's go back to the pipe. In here we've already received the information from the employee. So basically for each employee you have like the form field on the left side of the screen, and the card will automatically be moved to the according phase depending on the rules that you set. So as you can see, the card was already moved to the look for a hospital doctor phase, and PipeBot moved this card, and an email template was sent to the employee with a message of your choosal. So the message, but first let's take a look on the automations behind the scene. So we have one automation with a condition in here that will tell me that whenever someone has any of the following symptoms and is not subscribed, so that is used as a hidden field, the card will be moved to the look for a hospital doctor phase. When that happens, when the card is created, we also have another automation that's creating the follow-up card. So the update card in that second pipe, if the person chose to subscribe to updates. So let's go take a look on the second pipe. Basically the status update pipe, we have in the inbox the cards created from the first pipe. We have a node test card here that I created, and the cards will stay in the inbox phase until an automation runs to move them to update email that will send a weekly update email. So I've set my automation to run once every Monday, and when that automation runs, an update email will be sent to the employee. So we'll be looking at both of these emails, and the card will automatically be moved back to this phase, to the inbox phase, with another automation that I created there. And we have last automation that will move to subscription concealed whenever these cards receive an email, so that the person can choose to unsubscribe from these update emails that are weekly. So let's take a look on the emails. So in here we have the first email that says that I should look for a hospital, and you can customize this email with the information that you want and also include links to articles or attachments. And you can set the period that you want to send these follow-up emails. So let's take a look on the other follow-up email. In the follow-up email, you also have a custom message that you can set yourself, and you have a link to the farm so the employee can give an update, and also a message saying that if the employee or the person doesn't want to receive these follow-up emails, he can just reply with unsubscribe, and the card will move to that subscription concealed phase inside Pipefy, and the follow-up emails will stop. So let's take a look on this farm. So basically we got here the same form than before, but we are already sending some information field like the name of the person, the corporate email, and also that subscribe. There's a subscribe button that is hidden inside the start form that we are sending field, so we can hide that choosing to subscribe because the employee is already subscribed to the follow-up emails. So to do that, we are basically using email templates inside Pipefy to send some information already filled, and you can see that in the video link on the description. To finish up the demonstration, you'll be able to generate reports inside the pipe. So we are back to the pipe, and you can filter the information using any of the fields from the start farm. So you can like filter and see all your employees that need to look for a hospital or doctor and export this report as an Excel spreadsheet. So that's basically it for today. You can try this template yourself and set the emails and the process to your company. If you're interested in that, just sign up to Pipefy and try our COVID-19 employee status process.